Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Oxygen Sensor. This replacement oxygen sensor is for various Toyota trucks and SUVs with either the 2.4 liter, 2.7 liter, or 3.4 liter engines. The exact applications for these include the 2000 to 2004 Toyota Tundra with the 3.4 liter, the 2001 to 2004 Tacoma with either the 2.4 liter or 2.7 liter, and just the 2004 Runner with the 2.7 liter engine. What your oxygen sensors do is they read the oxygen mixed with fuel content to make sure that your vehicle is running as it should and not emitting more pollution than it was designed to do. For these Toyotas, there are two oxygen sensors, with this one being the upstream, or the one before the catalytic converter. When an oxygen sensor goes bad, your truck should have a check engine light, and you may notice your vehicle is running rougher with poor gas mileage. And if you continue to use your vehicle, you may end up damaging your catalytic converter or engine. While this specific oxygen sensor is not a genuine OEM part, it is a direct OEM replacement, thanks to the OEM fit, finish, and quality of this part. Additionally, this one has an improved sensor for longer life, high temperature wire loom for protection, and the OEM electrical connector. Since this is the upstream sensor, you may notice it has all four of the wires, meaning it's capable of preheating. Installation of this part is pretty simple if you're comfortable working under your vehicle. Just remember that you will need the vehicle to be as cool as possible, as the exhaust can be very hot. Additionally, the previous oxygen sensor may have been installed a long time ago, so using a chemical spray to initiate loosening the bolts along with a longer wrench will help tremendously in removing the old one. If you have any questions about this replacement oxygen sensor, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.